Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, the following topics will be covered. Today, we will learn how to make a purchase order with the direct purchase option in Axanta ERP. With this direct purchase option, your purchase order will be completed in one shot. So let's start. Now we will see how to create a purchase order. To create a purchase order, go to the menu, go to purchase module. Under common forms, click on documents and go to purchase order. Here you can see various purchase orders that has been already created in the system. So to create a new purchase order, click on this create button. And you can see various options that needs to be configured. Now here in the vendor, you can select the vendor from which you want to purchase the products. So let's select this ABC supplier. Here you can also give the vendor reference number, let's say 1234. Here in the order date, you can select the date. Here in the warehouse, you can select any warehouse or store in which you want to make the purchase. Let's select this main warehouse. Here in the currency, as you can see, this BHD currency, this currency is by default attached to the supplier. Now if you want to change the currency of this supplier, so you need to click here, then go to the sales and purchase, and under supplier currency you can select any currency that you want. So let's select this AED and click on this save button. So here as you can see, the default currency has changed from BHD to AED for this supplier, and it will also reflect here in this total. But for now we will change to BHD. Now we will see how to create lines. So click here, select the products that you want to purchase. Let's select this product, enter the quantity, let's say 5. Now here in the unit of measures, you can associate multiple unit of measures with this product, which means that you can purchase this product either in pieces or in dozens. Here in tags, you can also remove or add the tags. Here in the gross total, this 19 KD is the amount which is inclusive of tax, and here in this subtotal, this 81.818 BD is the amount which is exclusive of tax. In the tax setup, it is possible either to have the price inclusive or exclusive of tax depending on your requirement. Both the options can be achieved. In this case, this price is inclusive of tax. Similarly, you can create various lines and once it is completed, you need to cross-check the total with the vendor bill. Once it is done, click on this save button and click on this direct purchase order and click on this OK. As you can see here, the shipment and in vendor bill is showing 1-1, which means that the purchase order is completed. Now, if you want to see the details, you can click on this shipment, and as you can see, it is in a done status. You can also check the journal entries of this particular shipment by clicking here. Similarly, if you want to see the vendor bills, go back to the purchase order, click on the vendor bills. Here you can see it is in an open status as the payment is still not done. You can also see the journal entries of this particular bill by clicking here. So this is how we can make a purchase order with the direct purchase option in Axanta ERP.